Hey dear travelers! So you are getting ready for an exciting adventure? But hold up! You know what's more annoying than the person who jumps right at the moment the plane lands? Well, not being able to access your favorite shows or having to use unreliable Wi-Fi. Scary, right? Yeah, I have been there. But you know what? That's where a VPN comes in and saves the day. Today we are talking about the 3 best VPNs for travelers: ExpressVPN, NordVPN and Surfshark. So buckle up. Let's find out why you really need a VPN and which one is perfect for your wanderlust. So when you're traveling, it's not just about finding the best sunset photo for your Instagram. It's also about staying secure and staying connected. So whether you want to access geo-restricted content or getting connected to that sketchy Wi-Fi networks in hotel, a VPN has your back. Let's start with ExpressVPN. It's basically the VIP lounge of VPNs for travelers. And you know why? Just 3 words: speed, security, and servers. ExpressVPN is known for its super fast speeds, which means you can stream Netflix, Hulu, or YouTube without the dreaded buffering wheel of doom. With military-grade encryption, ExpressVPN makes sure no one's sneaking a peek at your online activity. Whether you are using public Wi-Fi at a cafe in Paris or in airport lounge, you are protected. Need to connect to a server in Australia while you are in Japan? No problem. ExpressVPN has servers in over 105 countries. That means you can access websites like you are back home, no matter where you are. So if you ask me, ExpressVPN is basically that international SIM card for your internet. Next up, we have NordVPN. This one is perfect if you are the kind of traveler who needs serious security. Like the one, don't even think about hacking your security. NordVPN actually routes your traffic through 2 servers, which makes you twice as hard to track. Double the protection, double the fun. It is also got this CyberSec feature which blocks annoying ads and malware. If you are browsing in a foreign country where shady sites pop up, boom, you're protected. It's like wearing a mosquito repellent for the internet. NordVPN has over 6,000 servers in 100 plus countries. So whether you are trying to catch up the latest episode of Succession or access a local site, NordVPN has got you covered. Pro tip: so if you are visiting countries with strict internet censorship like China, NordVPN has got obfuscated servers that lets you connect the internet like a pro. Now, if you are a budget traveler like me, you will love Surfshark. It's the most affordable option but still packs a punch. For real, Surfshark lets you connect unlimited devices with one subscription. So you can protect your phone, tablet, laptop, and your friends' devices too. If you are traveling in a group, this is the best option. So it's kinda like that affordable hotel that's way better than expected. Win-win. So which VPN is best for you? Let's break it down. So if you're looking for speed and security, ExpressVPN is your go-to. And if you're looking for security and more privacy features, NordVPN is your best bet. And if you're looking for budget-friendly option with unlimited device connections, Surfshark is your new travel buddy. So whether you are jet setting to Bali, backpacking through Europe, or just chilling at your local cafe, a VPN is a must. So stay connected, stay secure, and most importantly, enjoy your trips without any limits. Now go ahead, smash that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Stay tuned!